Welcome to Spooky Town. As the mayor of this bizarre little burg, I'd love to take you on a tour. All aboard! According to the Pumpkin Hall countdown, Halloween isn't far away at all. We may be in for a few early tricks and treats. Do you hear that music playing? It's the Pumpkin Tilt and Hurl. Always my favorite ride at the fair. Take a spin if you have the stomach for it. After all the excitement of the Pumpkin Tilt and Hurl, I'm starting to get hungry. Anyone want to stop for a bite at the Garden of Eden? Oh my, it looks like they've closed. Apparently the customers didn't like seeing themselves on the menu. On we go. Ahead on your left is the Haunted Library. It has quite a good selection of stories, from frightful horror novels to spooky ghost tales. In spite of all the residents who are haunting its halls, that place is deathly quiet. Oh dear, that clock chime means it's bewitching hour at the cursed cuckoo house. That means our tour must come to an end. I do hope you will come back and visit Spooky Town again, if you dare.